And you can see here, please remember this, because if we drop something or miss it, or finally you find it, you need to remember this one. This one, remember, is the correct way. So firstly, we need to loosen the nuts here. First one, second one. Okay. Then we will see the headrest. They have two positions here. The first position, the second position. We use the second position, and here we have two holes. Then we have two holes to connect for this part. Here is a small notice. We need to press this part hard until the screws coming out. Okay. Then we use the nuts. We use the nuts, direct fasten the nuts with our hand is okay. Okay, done.